In this video, we take a look at the Fusio VSCode extension, which helps to develop new actions directly in VSCode. To start, we install the Fusio extension from the marketplace. Then we need to configure the Fusio base URL and credentials so that the extension is able to connect to your Fusio instance. Now we can switch to the Fusio extension. The extension lists on the left sidebar all available actions. We can click on each action to see the actual code. With the action run command, we can also directly execute this action. You can see the response of this action at the output. In case an action requires user input, we can also configure a request payload before running the action. At the sidebar, you can also inspect every available schema, which helps if your action should return a specific format. Under the schema, you can also select a connection. The database connection shows every available table. And you can click on each table to see this complete schema. At last, we want to create a new action. Therefore, we only need to create a new file with a fitting action name. On save, the action gets created at your Fusio instance. You can also directly execute this action and see the response. This was a short demo of the Fusio VSCode extension. If you like our project, feel free to follow us on GitHub.